Finally got all my BMR stuff for the 15-inch conversion. So that's what we're going to be working on today. It's 10 degrees outside, so all the heaters are on full blast. It's actually pretty nice in here, I'm not gonna lie.
It's a 16 buff in the dark.
Hey guys, I just kind of wanted to explain what's going on here, even though it looks pretty self-explanatory. We are taking down the rear cradle to be able to put all my BMR suspension on, as well as the strange coilover kit. We also cleaned it up and painted it to make it look better. So that's what we're doing there. One thing I did forget to mention is that we did get some Hendrix solid rear cradle bushings. This is us just burning out the stock bushings, the stock rubber bushings, in order to put them in. Here we're taking the stock fuel tank down. Since we are doing a 20-gallon fuel cell, we had to take the fuel tank down while the cradle was out, since the cradle's in the way of that. Ta-da! Got the fuel tank out. We did get the strange coilover kit for both front and rear. It's under there. Can't really see. It's under everything. So far, Chad, I should say Chad because he was working on this yesterday without me, but he got the spare tire tub out of the back to actually put this fuel cell in. And yes, I know it's dirty, it's gonna get cleaned and painted and everything, so there's that. And this is what the hole looks like. Here's also the rest of we've got all the BMR stuff for the 15-inch conversion for the rear. So we're going to be working on that. We actually got the rear cradle out also. It really wasn't as hard as I thought. The only thing we're having issues with is the rear control, or the lower control arms. The bolt is not coming out, so I think we're just going to have to cut them out. And it's on both sides too. So we're going to get them out tomorrow, and then I'm going to clean it up a little bit more and probably paint it just to make it look nicer. We are going to actually take my rear diff to someone. It got to the point last year where it was only doing a one wheel peel in the burnout, and I was sick of it. So we're gonna take it to someone to get it rebuilt, probably just the clutches, and hopefully I can do a full actual burnout on both tires. For all of you people that are here for the RTSD, it's just sitting right now waiting for the cage to be put in it, so trying to knock out the G8 while it's waiting. But that's all I have for you today, so we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, you know, all that fun stuff. So thanks, bye.